thought that was just...
I mean, I can't... Oh.
Uh-oh, you're gonna be mad now. Yeah, no, so kind of laid. This one's like laid on top of that one.
Yeah.
No, I mean...
Right,
yeah,
that one over there.
that one was like laid on top of this stuff.
Right. And this stuff is all like intertwined and back. It's like, I don't know. I'm just trying to follow what.
Oh no, there's all kinds of things. There's paperboard here.
Okay, and then you got this guy here who's intertwined in between that and then that and then that. Yes, it was.
Okay.
And I'm walking over here. But I did do a knock, too. We're kind of getting to an area we don't go, but yeah, that's okay because, you know, it's not very hard to walk. Wow, this is really cool. Just kind of keep an eye out your back, you know, your perimeter and stuff too, because look at this thing here now.
Yeah. Another lean right beside it.
Ooh. Yeah. Oh.
A great big lean right there. That tree. There's a lean into that.
Right.
That one.
And this one. It's got two of them together. Right there.
Crazy.
It is. And right there is a river. So we're actually pretty close to the river. So I'm not sure what side that whoop came on, but... Okay, now this is all... There's no path through there. Through here there is. Wow. You can like... Oh my gosh. You can seriously like walk between all of this.
Yeah.
Like you could play hide and seek. You could just run right through. Wow. You know where this goes? Here, honey. Check this out. That too. And you can see right here, they kind of got this. It's broken. It didn't grow there. It's just
they put the little.
Yeah, they put a bunch of sticks, and these are actually not. These aren't old. They're just. Don't really want to disrupt it, but. Yeah, and it's like, I mean, this is all beat down path here. Oh, look, right there, just a nice path. I hope we don't get lost. Wow, that is like a super narrow path. Oh, something stinks. You smell that? Like sewer water.
Oh man. Sewer water, sewer smell.
Ew. Hey, did you walk through that way at all? That way? There's some broken here. Well, this will pick it up too, but there's a bunch of broken plants through here. They're busted over. And there's a footprint right on it. See, look. See the plant?
Yeah.
Oh, somebody walked on it. Look at the heel right here.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, see? I can stick my hand inside it.
The heel. Then the
Yeah.
toe is right there. Yeah.
Right up here. It goes across there. So like right in here, it's dipped down for toes. That is weird. That's what? Probably 15 inches. At least. Wow. And this was the other one right here next to the tree that was broke. And I didn't think that you stepped on it. So, because you went that way. I just dropped that stick. I don't know what I put. There it is. So, you went that way. I went this way. You want to go back? Okay, let's go. We're way back here.
Maybe if we head back to the
Main?
trail, then we'll be able to see a better picture.
Okay. Sorry guys, it's usually me. I like to just take me where these signs show me to go.
Yep, me too.
And I'll just keep walking.
They promise a live feed though, and it doesn't do much good if nobody can see anything.
Right. Yeah, but that does get me in trouble sometimes because I don't realize I just walked 6 miles out. Well, I seriously want to come back here and check this again. Wow. I like it. Can you believe we actually went that far already? What the heck? There's an X. Do you know where you're at? Yeah. Go right straight up through here. Okay. Chris, this one here. It's got a horizontal and a bunch of other weirdos. And there's the beach area or the sand. I'm gonna check this out. I'll be right there. There's a little bed.
somebody came by and did something.
Yeah. You'll have to check that out on the GoPro. Couple little beds or dens over there. It's pretty cool. Alright, how do we get out of here?
Well, me knows it's over here.
I don't need a stick, but yeah.
Alright. Let's see it. Setting up the main trail.
Yeah, there's a little trail that goes under there too. Ready?